It turned out delicious. You've got to try it. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make eggplant dolma. It's easy and very delicious. At the end, I hope you enjoy it. Let's start it. Let's start by peeling the onion and chopping it into small pieces. Nothing fancy, just nice and simple. Alright, time to slice off the tops of the eggplants, but keep them. We're turning these into cute little leaves. How fun is that? Now it's time to hollow out the eggplants. Start by making a little cut at the top. Then gently scoop out the inside with a spoon. Take your time. We don't wanna tear the skin. Let's keep going and hollow out all the eggplants, one by one. We got this. And don't forget, save that eggplant filling. We're gonna to use it, so no tossing it out. Look how perfectly hollowed it is. The skin's still in fact. We're gonna do the rest just like this. We've got this beautiful, colorful bell pepper. And yep, we're stuffing it with that delicious filling. Let's slice off the top and gently remove all the seeds. We don't want any bitterness in our delicious dish. Let's make sure we scoop out every single seed. We want it nice and clean inside. No sneaky seeds left behind. Let's make the most of our time. While we are chopping the eggplant flesh, we'll get the rice and lentils cooking. Smell right? Remember that eggplant flesh we saved? Now, it's time to chop it up nice and fine. Let's get it all minced and ready. Let's saute the onion in a little bit of oil until it turns golden and smells amazing. Mmm, love this part. Time to add the ground meat. Things are about to get even more delicious. Time for the spices. A little salt, black pepper, turmeric, and cumin. This is where all the flavor kicks in. Give everything a good stir so all those spices mix in perfectly. Mmm. Remember when we started cooking the rice and lentils earlier? Now they are ready. Have cooked and nice and dry. Time to add them to the mix and stir everything together. Time for the chopped eggplant flesh. Saute in a little oil. Then crush into garlic cloves that aromatize everything. This is how we bring out all the flavor. Now add the sauteed eggplant to the mixture. Everything's coming together so perfectly. It's very delicious. Now add the tomato paste and give it a good mix. This is what gives that rich, beautiful color and deep flavor. The splash of water goes in. This helps everything mix smoothly and makes that color pop. I love the aroma, color and flavor of saffron, so I'm adding a little saffron water here. Totally optional, but if you like it too, go for it. Alright, our delicious filling is all done. Let's head back to those gorgeous veggies and start stuffing them. Gently fill the eggplants, but don't pack them all the way up. Leave about a quarter of the top of empty, because the rice and lentils will expand while cooking. Then just pop their little lids back on, repeat with the rest. See how beautiful they're filled? Now it's time to cover them up. You can use tomato slices as a little lids or use the eggplant tops we saved earlier. Totally up to you. Let's get that sauce going. A bit of oil, tomato paste, and some water. Just right for cooking our stuffed veggies. We are finding the perfect pot. Not too big, just snug enough so. We are finding the perfect pot. Not too big, just snug enough so eggplants fit tightly together. This way they stay firm and won't roll over while cooking, preventing any filling from spilling out. That's how we do it. Pour that beautiful summer sauce all over the eggplant, then add a splash of vinegar or any sour touch you like. Slice two garlic cloves thinly and toss them into the sauce, along with a spoonful of fried onions. Let it cook for about an hour to an hour and a half. Now sprinkle some chopped parsley on top. Look at those beautiful colors. This dish turned out amazing. You've got to try it. Hey friends, what recipe should I make next? I'm excited to hear your ideas. Can't wait to see your beautiful photos of your dishes too. Drop your suggestion and pics below.